Ibrahim from Pakistan.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam.
Sheikh, on a previous day, while replying to someone who asked if it was raining, I mistakenly said it is raining while actually it not. I said in a taunting way, meaning that rain does not come easily, but the way of statement feels like I am underestimating the power of Allah. But it happened without awareness and unintentionally. He asked and I immediately replied. Later, when I realized that maybe it is wrong, I justified what I actually mean. Sheikh, does this count as a kufr?
Of course it does not count as kufr, akhi. This is too much. You guys have a problem when shaitan messes up with your head, thinking that if I inhale but do not exhale, is this kufr? You guys have to draw the line and put an end to that, because shaitan is having a blast. He's enjoying messing up with your head and making you think over trivial things or things that do not exist, that they are kufr, and making you anxious about it.